video. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be sharing another closet organization video. So a few years ago I made over my hallway what I've deemed to be my linen closet, and that has been one of my most popular videos here on YouTube. I was able to create so much extra storage space in this closet. I'm still really proud of the work I put into it. However, over time, things start to get a little disheveled. I start to acquire random odds and ends filling up in there. So usually about once a year or so, I like to go through, reorganize, and declutter. So if you need some closet organization ideas, closet cleaning, declutter motivation, this one is going to be for you. Alright, so getting started here, the first thing I'm doing is emptying the majority of things out of my closet. I think it's really important to pull everything out of a closet when you're cleaning that space, just so you can really see how much you have. Doing this is a key part of the KonMari style of cleaning and organizing. I will admit I decided to not empty out all of the drawers since I had kept most of the linens in here folded pretty neatly. I decided to just leave them alone and go through them as is. But here is a look at everything I pulled out of my closet. I just set everything out of the way in my bedroom so I'd have space to go through everything. And the first thing I did was take one of my Swiffer dust cloths and just wipe down all of the shelves. It really wasn't very dusty or dirty, but I just wanted to make sure they were clean. And then, like I said, I did not empty out these drawers, so the first thing I did was open each drawer, look at everything I had in here, pulled anything out that I knew I could get rid of, and basically my methodology is if I haven't used something in 1 to 2 years, then it's probably time to let it go. And after I pulled out what I could get rid of, I kind of rearranged things to be a little bit more streamlined, keep all the pillowcases and pillow covers together, and then all of the hand towels together. And now I am gonna go through my infamous collection of hand soaps here. When I first redid this closet a couple of years ago, I had an insane collection of these because I was able to get them for so cheap at one point. But finally, it's starting to dwindle down, and I was able to fit all of my hand soaps in the one wooden Bath & Body Works crate that I have. And then I just started going through every other bin or container that came out of my closet. And as per usual, I think a big part of this process is switching things around until you find something that works for you. I tried to keep like objects together. I have a small collection of bins, baskets, organizers that I keep that are unused, so every time I reorganize a space, I can pull from my collection. I did not go out and buy any new storage. One of my favorite bins is this one right here. This cube bin is from Target. I have a couple of these in different places around my house. I just think the floral pattern on it is so pretty, and I keep my extra toilet paper in this one. And anything I don't frequently need or grab for, I put up on that top shelf. So lots of different pillows and my winter comforter. I try to keep the things that I reach for the most right at eye level so it's easy to grab. I also had done some laundry, so I folded up and put away a few different blankets and towels that came out of the laundry. Alright, I just finished decluttering and going through everything in my closet. Here is my declutter pile. So not a ton, but a fair amount, with some older towels and blankets that are just starting to get worn out. And then I took some stuff out of their boxes so I can have more space, because boxes can tend to take up a fair amount of space. So I will break those down and recycle them. And I have some errands to run this afternoon, so I'm gonna bag all this up and drop it off at my Salvation Army. I also need to get rid of this. It's a mattress cover that like melted in the dryer, so I need to chuck this, but it ended up on the floor, and this kid just has been laying here all the time, every day. Alrighty, it's the next day. I dropped off my donations yesterday afternoon, finished the closet organization, so as per usual now, I will give you guys a little tour, show you how everything turned out, show you how I organized everything. I will say it's probably not as pretty as I've had it in the past, but it's still very functional, super streamlined, super organized. So up top, I've got my heavy winter comforter there, and then a bunch of different seasonal throw pillows or extra throw pillows, some of my bigger stuffed animals. And then on the next shelf, I've got some extra blankets, all of my soaps. I can't believe they all finally fit into this single container. It's actually kind of sad. I've got some extra candles for the bathrooms. I used this little hyacinth tray to store some extra Swiffer dust cloths in. Got some extra bed sheets for my bed. Those are beach pool towels. And then down here, we've got the basket with all my reusable shopping and travel bags. And then dehumidifier, iron, and then just like a couple other random odds and ends are in there too. Back there are some less frequently used bedding items, and here is all the extra tissue boxes. And then at the bottom I have toilet paper, and those are some things I use for physical therapy. And then in the drawers, this top one, we've got pillowcases for the bed, as well as some for throw pillows. And then down here are seasonal hand towels. These are the nice washcloths that I let guests use. They're not all stained up with like my makeup and stuff. Then down here, all extra bath towels. And in the bottom one are like extra throw blankets. Most of them are seasonal. And then back in this corner, I have my ironing board and this little plastic bag caddy here. I did have a like rolling cart in here previously, but I moved that to a different place that had some like sewing supplies on it. I do have an outlet in here, and I'm gonna bring my older little handy vac up here and plug it in to keep it up here. So I'll have one upstairs as well as downstairs now that I have two. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe got some ideas, some motivation. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more organization content just like this. I actually have a whole playlist dedicated to closet makeover and organization content I've done. So I will put that down in the description box if you're looking for more closet ideas and kind of my before and after makeover process. Thank you so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.